Hiya. So, I made a song in 10 seconds and it was better than anything I've ever written, which is either amazing or deeply concerning. Today, we're talking about whether using AI is the best thing that's ever happened to beginner composers or the musical equivalent of using autocorrect to write a novel. If you've ever wanted to write music but thought, I don't know any music theory, I don't play an instrument, and I emotionally peaked in 2016, good news. AI has entered the chat, but is it helping you become a composer or just letting you cosplay at being one? Here are some of the pros, which is possibly why it sometimes feels a bit illegal. The first one, you get instant gratification. You type a prompt, hit a button, boom, full song. Meanwhile, traditional composers are out here like, yes, I shall spend 3 hours choosing a chord. AI skips all that and goes straight to your serotonin hit. There's no skill requirement, so you don't need to learn piano, you don't need to understand harmony, you don't even need to open Logic and stare at it for 45 minutes pretending you know what you're doing. You just type sad indie song about a frog with commitment issues. Somehow it works. You can generate infinite ideas. Creative block? Never heard of her. AI will generate idea after idea after idea, like the one friend who won't stop talking but is actually helpful. It also makes you feel talented, and this is important because nothing motivates you more than hearing a great track and thinking, wow, I did that. You didn't, but emotionally you did. Here are some of the cons that I think creep up when using AI to create music. Are you actually learning something? This is an uncomfortable question. If AI is making the melody, the chords, the structure, what exactly are you doing? Vibes? You're contributing vibes. Creative dependency. It's very easy to go from, I'll just use this for a bit of inspiration, to, I physically can't create anything without this now. That escalated quickly. Thirdly, everything sounds kind of similar. AI can slap, but it can also sound like it was generated by the same musical hive mind, because it kind of was. So your unique artist vision might actually be statistically average now. There's also the problem of control. Sometimes you have a very specific idea and AI is like, I hear you, but what if we didn't do that? You're less of a composer now and more of a creative supervisor. So, is Suno good or bad? It's both, which I know is the least satisfying answer possible. It's a bit like junk food. Great in moderation, concerning when it's your entire diet. So here's what I think is the smart way to use AI. Use it for ideas, not finished identities, like this video up here where I stole the MIDI. Try to recreate what AI makes, a bit like doing homework. Actually learn a bit of music theory, I promise it won't bite, and treat it like a collaborator, not your ghostwriter. Basically, don't let the robot do all the thinking. At the end of the day, AI won't make you a great composer, but it will make you feel like one, and honestly, that might be enough to get you started. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe is always appreciated, and tell me in the comments, are you using AI to make music at the moment? Were you still opening Logic and immediately forgetting what you were doing? See you in the next one. Bye for now.